Hello students, good morning to all of you. Now we are discussing about the Pythagoras and its converse. In that one, applications concept wise I am explaining. Almost all concepts are completed. So now next question is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at B. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at B. Similar triangles ACD and ABE. ACD and ABE are constructed on sides AC and AB. Find the ratio between the areas of triangle ABE and triangle ACD. This is the question they given. Okay. See here, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at B. So proof find on these two are equal. ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at B as per this one. Similar triangles ACD and ABE. ACD, ABE. Okay, these are the two similar triangles. Okay, drawn on AC and on AB. See here, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. First, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC. Why? Because isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, which two sides are equal? Which two sides are equal? Either AB or BC, not AC. Because AC is the longest side, hypotenuse it is. Okay. Now, using that, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Since one triangle is drawn on AB, so BC also I am going to convert in terms of AB only. AC square is equal to AB square plus AB square. AC square is equal to 2AB square. 2ab square. Why sir 2ab square? Why not 2bc square? 2bc square also can be. But I need a triangle drawn on AB and triangle drawn on AC. Triangle drawn on AB and triangle drawn on AC I required. Similar triangles. So I don't require a BC. So this is one triangle. Similar one, you know. Triangle AB is ACD and ABE are two similar triangles. Two similar triangles. Since triangle ACD and triangle ABE are similar, triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABE. What you require? Their construction. Triangle ACD is similar to construct similar triangles ABE and ACD. ACD and ABE are similar, they given. So since triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABE, then area of triangle ACD by area of triangle ABE is equal to AC square by AB square. AC square by AB square. Because two triangles are similar, the ratio of their areas is of the similar triangles is equal to square of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle ACD by area of triangle ABE is equal to AC square is nothing but a 2AB square. 2AB square by AB square. Now AB square cancel. Now area of triangle ACD by area of triangle ABE is equal to 2 by 1. Now area of triangle ACD is to area of triangle ABE is equal to 2 is to 1. What they give in order? Ratio between ABE and ACD. First ABE required. Therefore, area of triangle ABE is to area of triangle ACD is equal to 1 is to 2. Two ways I found. Okay. Triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC they given. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now in the place of BC square I replaced AB because BC and AB are equal. So 2AB square is equal to AC square. Now triangle ACD and triangle ABE are two similar triangles. So area of ACD by area of triangle ABE is equal to AC square by AB square because square of the corresponding sides ratios are equal. Areas of two similar triangles ratio is equal to square of their corresponding sides. So area of triangle ACD by area of triangle ABE. 2AB square, AC square plus 2AB square by AB square cancel 2 by 1. Area of triangle ACD by area of triangle ABE is equal to 2 by 1. Area of triangle ACD is to area of triangle ABE equal to 2 is to 1. But as per the given requirement is ABE first, ACD second order also. Area of triangle ABE is to area of triangle ACD is equal to 1 is to 2. Please write down. So students, in case any doubt is there, please text me. Next one. In this one more question is there. In the given triangle ABC is a right angle at B. ABC, D and E are on the points on BC such that they trisected BC, means BC is divided into three equal parts. This part, this part, this part. B to D length, D to E length, E to C length are equal. Means suppose this is X, this is also X, this is also X. Then this total is equal to 3x. This total is equal to 3x. Now prove that 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. 5AD square. Just I will give the hint. Please try to do yourself this one. Okay, this was the 11th question in your textbook. I don't know exact number. In my textbook, old textbook, it is 11th question. In the given figure, in triangle ABC, given is in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, and D comma E are points on BC such that BD is equal to DC, DE is equal to EC is equal to X. Three parts, trisection means three equal parts. Now required to prove is 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. I have to prove it. Okay. As per my requirement, 8AE square I required. So this triangle you take. Just hint I am giving. I am not going to explain total problem. In triangle ABE, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. AE square is equal to AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. AB square plus BE square. Okay. Now AB square plus BE square means BD plus DE also you can write. Next one is AC square means this one total triangle. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Again AD square required. So AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square. And substitute the terms one by one to another one, replace it, you will get the solution. Okay. In triangle ABE, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. This is the one way. RHS you can take this one also. By considering RHS, you will get a LHS automatically. By considering RHS, you will get a LHS. 3AC square plus 5AD square also you can take. Okay, in any method you can replace it. In any method you can prove that. Either you take one by one all the triangles. This is one equation. Another one is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Another equation. And another one is AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square. Replace this one, interlink relation here, and add these two equations. You will get the third one. Okay. Understood? These two equate, add it, and simplify that one. We will get this one. And another way is by consider RHS. RHS. What is RHS here? 3AC square plus 5AD square. 3 into AC is BC square plus 5 into AD square is nothing but AB square plus BD square. Now simplify it. 3AB square plus 5BC, 3BC square plus 5AB square plus 5BD square. Now 5AB square for 3AB square, 8AB square, 8AB square plus 3BC square plus 5BD square. BC is nothing but this one, x plus x plus x, 3x. 3 into 3x whole square plus and just I'll rearrange and I will simplify this. 3ab square plus 5ab square plus 3bc square plus 5ad square, sorry, 5bd square. If I simplify it, 3ab square plus 5ab square is 8ab square. Here already here you have RHS, you are taking this. Okay, plus 3 into BC square is BC is nothing but x plus x plus x is 3x whole square plus BD is nothing but x, 5 into x whole square, that is 8ab square plus 3 3s are 9, 3 into 9x square plus 5 into x square, that is equal to 8ab square plus 9 3s are 27x square plus 5x square, that is equal to 8ab square plus 32x square. This is equal to 8 if I take common, then ab square plus 8 4s are 32, 4x square. Okay, this is equal to 8 into ab square plus 4x square I'll write as a 2x whole square I'll write. 4x whole square I'll write as a 2x whole square, that is equal to 8 into ab square plus 2x is nothing but x plus x is a be square, that is equal to ab square plus be square is nothing but a ae square, 8ae square. This is a simple algebraic method solution which is. Okay, previous which I discussed, that one was the similar Pythagoras concept I used. Here I did not use Pythagoras. RHS I took and I proved the LHS, that is equal to LHS. Why you took LHS only? Why not RHS? Because RHS is why you took RHS? Why not LHS? LHS has a very small information I have. RHS I have a more information. That's what I consider RHS. And see here, given is 11th question as per in my textbook. I don't know exactly what the question number in your textbook. Check out once. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. D and E are the points on BC. Trisect BC. D and E are trisect BC. Means trisect means 3 equal parts. Bisect means 2 equal parts. BD, DE and EC are equal parts. BD is equal to DE is equal to EC is equal to X. So 8 AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square I require to prove here. First I explained in Pythagoras theorem. I asked you to try it. Try that. If you don't get, let me know that one. That also I will explain you later. Okay. So a simple way I am explaining. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. BD, DE, EC are equal. I have to prove that 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. So consider RHS because RHS has more information than the LHS. So yeah, 3AC square plus 5AD square. 3AC square means AC square means AB square plus BC square. 5 into AD square means AB square plus BD square. Now 3 into AB square, 3AB square, 3BC square plus 5AB square plus 5BD square. 3AB square, 5AB square together. 3BC square, 5BD square subtracted. Now 3 plus 5, 8BAB square plus 3 into BC is nothing but x plus x plus x is 3x it is. 3x whole square plus 5 into BD is nothing but x square. So 3 3s are 9x square plus 5 into x square. Okay, 8ab square plus 3 9 are 27x square plus 5x square. That is equal to 27 plus 5 is 32x square. From these two, 8 I took common. AB square plus 8 4s are 32. 4x square. 4x square I wrote as a 2x whole square. AB square plus 2x whole square. 2x is nothing but a B to E length. BE square. AB square plus BE square. AB square plus BE square is nothing but a AE square. So 8 AE square, that is equal to LHS. I took RHS and I proved LHS. Please write down. Students, with this similar triangles, all concepts completed. Almost exercise problems also more than 70% I explained. More than 70% till maybe 80% problems I explained. I only explained textual problems. So rest of the problems prepare yourself. In case any doubts are there, please text me. Please text me when you have, if you have a doubts. Okay. So with this similar triangles completed, except construction. Still construction is not completed. Constructions will be discussed along with the another topic is tangents and secants topic. Okay, in that also constructions are there. All constructions together will make videos. Okay, construction is a separate concept. I'll explain that. I'll take another videos and I'll explain in another concept in another period. Okay, with this all similar triangles concept completed except the construction part. Constructions will be discussed later at last of the geometry, complete geometry. After last constructions I'll explain. Okay, thank you. Keep it in mind that children don't think that construction not explained. Construction is a different concept, not this one. So constructions will be discussed later all together. Next topic is secants and tangent. Tangents and secants topic after constructions I'll explain, because in that also a few constructions are there. All constructions I'll make another different videos, 2 or 3 videos. In that we'll discuss it. Okay, thank you.